everyone. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a planner with just a few clicks using Canva.com, a leading tool for graphic design. You can access this website by clicking the link on the description box below. After logging into the website, you can go to Templates, and under Personal, you can click on Planner. You will then be presented with hundreds of pre-designed templates to choose from. So you can click any of these templates. Let's try to pick one. Let's click here. Then click here to confirm your chosen template. You will then be redirected to a page where you can customize your design. You can do that by accessing this left side panel tools. You could add photos, you could add elements, or even change your text. Now let's go here and change or try to customize our planner. If you want to enlarge the viewpoint of your page, you can do so by clicking here and change it to how much you want it to zoom in. So there, it's now more readable. So you could actually customize this daily. If you wanted to have a planner daily, you could also do weekly or even monthly. So to change your text, you could simply click on it and change the content. Now, if you're done with your edit and you're happy with it, you can go ahead and download this file for your personal consumption or for personal use by clicking the download button here, or you can simply directly print it. But for now, let's just click on here and try to download this one. So it's already been suggested to download it on a PDF print, but if you wanted to change the file type, you could actually do so. You could change it to PNG or JPG. But for now, let's just stick on to what is suggested, the PDF print. Then click on download, and now it's preparing your design. There we go. You can now use the downloaded file for your personal consumption, so you could get more organized with your task or your workload. And yeah, so creating a work plan is now more fun and more easy by using Canva.com. But if you want it to be done professionally, you can also choose Singularity. Check out the description box below for more info. Thank you all for watching this video, and see you guys again next time.